Today's project is very interesting. Please watch the video till the end. Inductor, you can find it in old power supply or bulb driver. D882 transistor. Resistor 150 ohm. PCV point. 1.5 volts battery holder. It looks amazing. Circuit diagram. "3-volt flexible LED, you can buy it via the link in description box. Now let's do a quick review of the soldering iron used in today's project. Its Type-C cable is very strong and durable. This is the adapter for the soldering iron. It is multi-voltage and works automatically. It is very powerful compared to its small size. Soldering iron model, HS01 Intelligent Electric Soldering Iron. Among its advantages, it is multi-use according to the tip you want. It gets hot very quickly. Professional soldering iron, convenient and stylish. You can buy it via the link in description box. A 1.5-volt battery AA size. I call it the glowworm. As you can see, 1.5 volts is not able to light the LED, so we made the booster circuit. You can use the same circuit to light any LED.